Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Elliott with Green. In today's video, we are definitely going to discuss gold and silver. But before we head on and start our analysis, I have got a couple of announcements as per my Patreon page. I've changed some settings, and hopefully after today and on the last post that I did, which is a message, a text message, then most of you guys wanted to see the email notifications. Hopefully you guys will be able to get the email notifications. If you have a patreon.com application running on your phone or on your computer, then you guys will be able to receive an email notification as soon as I post an analysis on patreon.com. So hopefully that will solve that problem. The second thing is that I've put a cap on the first number of people that were coming into the $29 per month prices. So this was my way of saying thank you to the people who joined me initially. I really appreciate your support, and that's why I put a cap on it. And the next people after you, we have only one place left, and as soon as that is filled up, the same price, the same content will be available, which is available for $29 per ounce, will be available for $99 per month. And I'll see if I can introduce some more tiers, if I can introduce some more content. So if you guys want to have some more content or want to see something more regarding gold and silver, I'm not saying other, but regarding gold and silver, and then you let me know, and we can see if I can make more frequent videos, and definitely that will raise the price of that particular tier as well. But thanks for all of the people who have joined me initially, and for the people are coming after that, the price definitely would go higher. Let's have a look at the analysis section. Okay, I've already received a couple of emails and notifications about the analysis section, and I understand people are getting a little on the edge. We have seen a good price movement, which was actually forecasted, but one thing has come up, and that is it looks like we have completed the truncation, which looks obvious from the sharp drop of the price, which dropped about $40 from the top, from 1810 to downwards right over here. So 17.8, this is the bottom was somewhere around 1770, and the top is, so this is about $40 drop we have already seen in the price of gold. And this drop is actually now suggesting that we have broken the horizontal support, we have broken the diagonal support. So it's a good indication that we have completed the structure, and the fifth wave was truncated. We are expecting the prices to go up, at least meet 1835. Now, what does that mean? We were expecting that the price would go up, came down, and then instead of creating a deeper correction or deeper wave, we will see a double top. So instead of we seeing even more weakness, and that not even the prices are not able to even catch the double top, I'm still considering this as a one correction right over here. I'm not considering it as wave 1 and 2. So I'm still considering this whole wave as a one wave, and this is another corrective wave. So what does that mean? That means that we have the immediate pressure is toward downward in terms of gold, and we are definitely bearish. One word of advice, that if you want to be really careful, I think this will be a good idea if you can put your stop loss right behind 1834, 1835 area. But I think we have already completed the truncation at 1810. So it's your choice. If I was to be a little more careful, I will definitely put my stop loss before just behind 1835. Probably around 1840, 1845ish area would be a very good place to put a stop loss. We are clearly bearish at this end. We can see that. I have discussed already that. But we need to understand that we have a couple of major resistances on our way. Now, if you're expecting that gold is going to go all the way down right over here, if you're expecting for the price of gold to go all the way right over here, then you are expecting wrong. All right. So just because the prices are coming down does not mean that they're going to be wrong, going all the way down. Maybe in a very small percent probability, but I do not think this is my analysis right now, at least not telling me that we are going to go all the way down. So be really careful when if you try to conclude that. I believe that we have one probable and one good chance, high probability price target area, which is around 1490 area, $1,500 $1,510, $1,520. And do not wait for the prices to go right at the bottom at 1446. Could that hit? That's a possibility, but right now you can see that what we can do is right now is we can see this particular the small correction right over here, and we can expect that the prices probably would be somewhere in the middle of this range, and that's what our initial target is, and I think there is a good probability of prices hitting that. But before prices can actually hit in this region, we need to keep understand one thing very clear, and that is we have a couple of major resistances. Major by that I means that we have, first of all, this resistance area, which is around 1680 area, 1690 area. This is major resistance. The second resistance is this support line that's actually carrying the diagonal support all the way. So this is also major resistance, and then of course this is our potential target. So be really careful when prices are closing in this range area. um, I hope that the prices would actually be able to get in this region, and then that would actually bring us to prices coming right over here. We have seen this, and we have seen the drop in prices and then went up, and then it's going to be creating right over here support right over here. So you can see this structure and this structure right over here, and we can see this structure, and then we can see this support. So you guys can see what exactly I mean. I hopefully this structure once again is separate, this is separate structure, and then this is separate structure, and then this structure will be a separate structure, giving us an indication that long-term support is probably costing right over here, and then we can say that impulsive correction, and definitely upward. This is what we're looking for. If it's a little too confusing, go over again once again, and I have already seen a couple of people actually have went over and they resaw the video. It's a very good thing, and if you are not sure, please go back to the video. It looks very plain, but sometimes because human brain is like that, it does not absorb all the information at the very first time. Once again, I'm bearish on gold. Our top stop loss good area is beyond 1835 area. We are looking for the immediate drop of prices to around about this area, $1,700, 1690, 1680 area. If we are able to clearly cut that area, I mean go through that area, next target would be on the support line, 1650-ish area, and after that the target would be right over here at 1520, 1490 for 1500 area. That's the area. Let's have a look at silver. And I believe that we have already completed the double top right over here, which is a flat correction right over here, and then we are heading downward. If you're looking as far as the structure is concerned, support structure is concerned, price target is concerned, we are looking for 1960 first right over here. This is the first support structure coming, and then we have the second support that's coming right over here in this region. There's another support coming in this region. So it's right now very difficult to give the price target area. I will see if I can use some method to find the price target. We are definitely into bearish. There's no second opinion into that. So initially you can look for 1960 as the first target, and we'll see how prices behave around that area, and then we'll be able to forecast future. Let's have a look on a 4-hourly chart, 1-hourly chart. Okay. We have already seen in my last analysis, I indicated that you were expecting for the prices to correct, although you were expecting the prices to go a little further down, but they did not. As you guys can see, I was expecting for the prices to go right over here, come down, and then retest that area. Instead, we have seen that this actually is now a 5-wave structure, starting from this top to this one right over here, and we can say it's the W, X, and Y right over here. So we have already retested the support, which is actually supporting this uptrend, and we can actually see that the price has come down and retested that support area. Now what was to be resistance has become support, and we're heading further down. So right now I'm bearish, and I think the good point for put stopping loss, it will be just beyond 2480. I've already given you the bearish target. Wish you good luck with your trading. If you can pass the word around to your colleagues, fellows, or on the social media, and then that would be really good. Or you can make a couple of comments on YouTube as well. Then that'll be really helpful. Thanks once again, Kat. I wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and bye bye.